It's time. Let's go. So guys, today we're gonna put lifters in this, some new lifters in here. I got some LS7 lifters. So we're gonna put them in here. This side has a lifter tick going. This side is good. So since I'm going over here, I might as well do them over there so we ain't got to ever do it again. Now, one of the first things we gotta do before we get started, we gotta take this cover off. We gotta take the top off. Get the water out this radiator, and the front assembly here, shall say the power steering, the alternator, and the water pump needs to come off. Then we gotta do the headers. They need to come off as well on both sides. And that might be all we get done today, because that's gonna take a minute. So let me get down to business, and I'm gonna carry y'all along with me. So let's go. Alright, so got one more thing to get loose, and that's this small tube right here, which is the air thing for the top. The steam drain, or the steam valve, or whatever you want to call it. I got to get some needles and get this here off, and then we'll be in business. Let me adjust the cameraman so y'all can see something different. All right, so now I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take the water pump off. This here's a 15. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna lean it down here to the side. And I'm gonna take this one here all the way off, which is like 610s. Then we'll take this valley cover off, which is another 610s. And then we'll move on to the headers. Let's go. Oh, change it. Gotta get these off as well. All right, let's go. So I gotta do some vacuuming because I see a couple of things in here and I don't want to fall down the engine, so I'm gonna get that done. So I thought you guys were on. Got carried away getting this plate off. Had to get those knock sensors out and then pull the bolts out, and then we was good. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get these off here. What's going on, guys? So it's the next day here. It is kind of cloudy. Hopefully it gets better today, but our next deal we need to do is, we got everything vacuumed out. We need to get these off, these rockers arms off, and then we'll jump to the headers, and then we'll get these lifted out. And I think that's going to end this video for the day. Let's go. Well, in part one, should I say. And as I'm looking in here, we're gonna make a couple of corrections on a couple of things, and just try to make everything a little bit better. All right, so enough talking, let's get on with it. These rockers here are 8mm. Alright, so next thing is these, which are 10s. So let's get those. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna get the bottom first, and I'll bring y'all back when I'm up on top. that's off. So let me, next thing we gotta do is pull these push rods out and then find me a socket to bust these off. Cause I got, I believe it's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 across here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across the top. All right, let me get those bolts out and I'll bring you back when I'm lifting it off. All right, guys, so we have run into a roadblock. Now, the problem I got is, so on both sides is that the back bolt for the head, I can't get out because it's hitting there. So what I'm gonna have to do is pick this motor up, move it forward, take the heads off, then put them back in there. It's a lot of work. So with that being said, we're gonna end this video right here, man. I will get that set up and I guess done, and in the next video we'll get that done. But if it ain't one thing, it's another, man. So like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next